What's up, guys? It's John Kai, the Hawaii guy. I'm going to give you a tour of a home here in Las Vegas, specifically Henderson, which is a suburb of Las Vegas. What I like about this one, it's priced under $400,000, actually $399,000. Large home, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, but the big feature is a swimming pool. Come along with me and take a tour of this beautiful property here in Henderson. Aloha, John Kai, the Hawaii guy. What's up, everybody? It's John Kai, the Hawaii guy, with another property tour for you here in Las Vegas, specifically in the town of Henderson, which is a suburb of Las Vegas. Today I'm bringing to you a property of 4-bedroom, 3-bath, located in Henderson, priced at under $400,000. But the beauty of this particular home, it's been upgraded somewhat, fixed up, and there's a swimming pool. So that's a nice feature, especially if you're going to be living in hot Las Vegas. It's always nice to have a swimming pool. So take a tour. Let me show you what you get for $400,000 here in Henderson, Nevada. All right. Okay, so as soon as you step into the home, you got this nice step down into your living area. This living area, I'll put the specs on the screen, is about 16 by 13 and comes with plantation shutters, a nice gray paint on the walls with white trim. Straight ahead underneath the fan there is a dining room. That's about 13 by 13. And as you step down and go to the left, you'll see the family room. But before we do that, let's take a look at the stairway here. It goes upstairs, and there are 4 bedrooms and 3 baths upstairs. 4-bedroom and 2 baths upstairs. There's a half bath downstairs at the entry. So nice powder room for your guests. Tastefully done. Let's take a look at the rest of the home on the first floor. So straight ahead is the family room with a wood-burning fireplace. Now the family room also has some blinds in here and same gray paint. This is the kitchen, so it's kind of an open concept. I like it. The family room is 16 by 13 with a wood-burning fireplace, and straight ahead is the laundry room. Let's take a look at that. So the washer and dryer stays, built-in cabinets here. Some new flooring here, so not too bad. And you can see the doors to the outdoor area where the pool is. We'll take a look at that later. Nice little dining nook. Kitchen's okay. You know, got some work to do here to upgrade. These shelves are very much seen its prime, and it's time for new cabinets here in the kitchen. Appliances stay. So some work to be done, but hey, you know, that's really easy stuff. So really a nice kitchen and a living area. It's nice because if you're sitting back here having a meal, you can watch TV and watch the morning news. And of course, you have this counter here where you can put some stools there. So really nice family gathering area. So again, right into the living room. That's the entry. There's transom windows above the door. And let's go upstairs and take a look at what's up here. So it's kind of a steep stairway, but these do need to be fixed a bit. You can see the scuff marks. Manufactured flooring up here. So right straight ahead would be the master bedroom. Let's start with the secondary bedrooms first. So this is one of the bedrooms. Faces the front of the home. Not a large room. Most of these rooms are, this one is, looks like it's about 12 by 12. Old school intercom system. This home was built in 1990, yeah. So, you know, that system's still in place. Okay, ceramic tile, probably seen its better days. Built-in shower tub, could use an upgrade. There's another bedroom, 12 by 12, also facing the front of the house. So that's 2 bedrooms, overlooking the living area downstairs. So a standard closet for the hallway. And bedroom number 3. Another small bedroom, but hey, does serve the purpose. Could be an office. Another 12 by 12 room. Seems smaller. And then the master bedroom, which is 15 by 13. Double doors, French doors, that's kind of nice. And of course you have the plantation shutters, control the light here. This is the walk-in closet. Fairly deep, good size. And let's see if we can take a look outside. It's a living area. Okay, so that would be your backyard. The pool there, little area there for entertaining, I guess. And you step up into the master bath area. So again, ceramic tiles. This could use an upgrade. Soaking whirlpool tub with the jets. I like the corner windows, adds a lot of natural light in here. Standing shower. Again, I would redo all of this just to bring it up to current design standards, if you will. Toilet, like the separation there. And you can see here, it's a arch door. Right back down into the master bedroom. And the double doors, the French doors that open out to the home there. Yeah. Not a whole lot of privacy though, but hey, there's ways to work around that. Let's go back downstairs and let's go take a look outside. Patio, ceiling fan. It's good to have this with these screen shades. Barbecue here. Side of the house is that's a huge unit. So there's a lot you can do here. You see that? Maybe underutilized for sure. You got this faux foliage. Kind of nice. Oh, this is locked. Take out the wood burning fireplace and put in one of those gas or electric fireplaces that you can control with a remote. Get a better experience for sure, and better heat source, more even. Yeah, tell me what you think. I like it. Not much more to do except some remodeling of the main rooms, like the kitchen and the bathrooms, if you wanted to bring it up to date. And here's a side entrance to the kitchen. And the dining nook. Okay guys, that's the tour for today. Let me know if you want more information. There are a lot of homes here in Las Vegas that are on the market. Actually, not a lot, we got a tight market, but if you do some digging, you can find stuff. So, you know, don't let the tight market discourage you from purchasing your first home in Las Vegas or upgrading and moving up. Okay, there you have it. What do you guys think? Not bad, good space. You can see it furnished and what it would look like here in this room. You can see here the dining room area, stairway up above. All in all, good value, $399,000. If you want to learn more, please hit me up. I'm happy to take you on a tour of this property personally, but also answer any questions you might have with regards to what you might be able to purchase here in Las Vegas. Again, this home is in Henderson, $400,000 with a swimming pool, 4-bedroom, 3-bath. I'll put all the specs on the screen like I normally do. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Aloha, thanks again. I'm John Kai, the Hawaii Guy.